Hey, so this is a quick video on how I ran the LED light on my Coleman mini bike. To start us off, I put a switch right here. I just drilled a hole and put the little light there, push button. And then for the battery, I put it in there. And I will put a link to all of the products that you would need to do this install. For the bottom to hold the battery in place, I used a L bracket, and then I put Velcro between the battery and the L bracket to protect it. You can use like double-sided tape if you want, but the bolts that are going through that L bracket are the existing bolts that go to the frame for this little whatever plastic thing. And for the front, same thing, just a smaller L bracket that I cut. And I grooved the L bracket itself so it could slide forwards or backwards. And as far as the wiring itself, I'll do a little diagram and I'll post that as well. But I ran it from the battery to the switch, put a little 15 amp fuse between it, and I used the existing hole in the bottom here to run my wire out, and then just came up, down, and over. And then for the front, I used a square tube, or like square tubing, and that is going to be 1 inch by 2.5 inches. So you can get that, and then it will allow you to be able to mount your light there. And I put those end caps in there just to make it look nicer. These are the existing bolts that come to the little round light that comes on it, factory. So you can use those same ones. Anyways, I just drilled through that square tubing and it fit perfect. But that is, once again, 1 inch by 2.5 inches long. So up and down. As far as charging it, now on my other mini bike, I have the little trickle charger connectors, and I'll show you how I did that. But on this one, I haven't done that yet. I do need to do it, but I can write up like a little diagram, and I'll show you how you can wire it if you want to do the little trickle charger as well. Yep, so that's it. There's not a lot to it. Straightforward, super easy. I will put all the information in the description, and as well as I'll do a little diagram so you guys can see how to wire it up. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and if you don't mind, like and subscribe to my channel, I'd really appreciate it.